Common question I get asked, do you think my case will go to trial? Hi, I'm Dan Kolacialaw. I'm a criminal defense attorney here in Southern California and handled 100+ jury trials and probably 300 bench trials when it comes to all kind of cases from driving under the influence to homicides. A common question I get asked by people is, will my case go to trial? And to be honest, it's up to the players in the courtroom. For instance, the DA. The DA can give you a really bad offer or require you to go to prison for a very long time, which if you accept, you go. First, if the prosecution and defense fail to reach a deal in the plea negotiations, it's likely the case will go to trial. And plea negotiations are, if the DA will drop some charges, then you agree to plead guilty. However, not all people can plead guilty to a charge. First, if they're innocent, they can't plead guilty to a charge they never committed, so it's hard for them to plead. In that case, trial may be your only option. Or how about if you plead guilty or you're convicted of the charge, you'll lose your job or your livelihood. In some positions of trust, like in banking, nursing, or a doctor, a conviction can mean they lose their professional license. So therefore, they can't plead guilty, and the only route they have to go is through trial. So in most cases, if a case will go to trial, it's really a personal decision of the person accused of the crime. And they're working with their attorney whether or not it's better for them to go to trial in a case or it's better for them to take a plea. Because if you're facing a life sentence of going to trial or you're facing a plea of only spending 2 days in jail, it's likely you'll take that plea of going 2 days in jail to avoid the life sentence. However, in a lot of cases, there's not much difference in whether or not you take the plea or if you go to trial. And in those cases, it's a personal decision that you should work out with your attorney.